Okay, so we're going to learn how to create some basic motion in our clips using Adobe Premiere Pro. And the first thing you want to do is open up your application and go to File. You're going to go down to Import, where you're going to select the file you want to work with. Then you're going to double click on that file. When your video clip or photo appears, you're going to drag and drop that right into your timeline. In your timeline, you want to select your photo or video clip to enable editing, and then you want to go to Effect Controls. Under Video Effects, you have three options: Motion, Opacity, and Time Remapping. I'm working specifically with motion, so I'm going to open up those options again. And I'm going to use Rotation and Position because I'm going to have my photo rotate and then move off screen to the right. In order to do that, I need to make sure that my playhead is at the very start, because wherever my playhead is, that's where my keyframes are going to be. So I'm going to create my very first keyframe by selecting Rotation over here. And that created my first keyframe. Now, I'm going to move my playhead over a few seconds. This is where my second keyframe is going to be, and the time in between is where my photo rotates. So I'm going to create that second keyframe by selecting how much I want my photo to rotate. And I'm just going to say 360 so it goes all the way through. And here it is. There's the second keyframe, and here's the rotation. Now, after the rotation, I don't just want my photo to move right off screen. So I'm going to create some time for it to display. And I think I'm going to put my third keyframe right in there. So I'm going to do that by selecting Position. There's my third keyframe. So now we have the rotation, and then this is the amount of time that my photo displays. And now I want to move it off screen to the right. So I'm going to move my playhead over a few more seconds, and I'm going to add my fourth keyframe. I can do that by selecting the photo and then moving the photo to the right off screen. And when I let go, that creates that fourth keyframe. So I'm going to drag my playhead all the way over to the start, and we can watch the effects. Okay, so that's how you create motion in your clips on Adobe Premiere Pro.